Good morning to all of you. Love you too. We are going to start our live class today. So everyone, please take your yoga mat. Okay, okay. Hey Harshad, good. Now stop message, everybody come on the mat. Let me adjust. I hope you all can watch me from here. Yes. Good morning Rajul. Okay, so we have only 1 hour. Everybody please sit on your yoga mat. Just one second. Yes. So, namaste to everyone. Master Praveen, I hope and I wish that you all are happy and safe and enjoying the time with your family. So I'm so thankful for today that Everest Yoga Institute invite me as a host for organize the one yoga class. If I talk about what is yoga, what are the benefits of the yoga, so I think that is no need. You all are doing the yoga and you all knows the numerous benefit for the yoga, the physical benefit, the mental benefit and the spiritual benefit. So this is the very hard time for all of us, not only in India, that is happening is everywhere. So this is just yoga can be very good way to let's unite together and let's do yoga practice together. Because yoga can be also like can increase the immunity, can be boost up your immunity, that can be good to fight against this problem, this exact problem. So okay, now we will not waste the time, we will be start our session now. So everybody please sit comfortably in any position. Yes, any position, Padmasana, Sukhasana, Swastikasana, किसी भी position में आप बैठ जाइए. Your spine should be straight and bring your both palm together in Namaste. You can make any another gesture as well. You can make Namaste, even you can make the Chin Mudra. Anything, whatever, make you feel comfortable. And then, eyes closed and keep a smile on your face. Just be relaxed. We'll start with the 3 times Om chanting. Let's connect with the Supreme Soul. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Everyone. Inhale. One more time. Inhale. Everyone, rub your both palm, make a heat. Place your palm on your eyes. Feel the heat of your palm. Feel this energy. Relax your eyes, your mind. Gently open your eyes and look up at your palm. Smiling face and then relax. Good. Place your palm on your knee. We'll start with a very gentle neck stretch. Inhale. Slightly look up. Relax your shoulder away from the ear. Exhale. Slowly, gently, just look down. Inhale. Look up. Exhale. Slowly look down, chin to the chest. Inhale, look front. Exhale, turn your head on your right side. Inhale, center. Exhale, turn on the left side. Center. Exhale, turn on the right. Inhale, center, and exhale, turn on the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, drop your head on the right shoulder, but your left shoulder down. Inhale, center, and exhale, drop your head on the left shoulder. Now your right shoulder push down. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Drop your head on the right shoulder. Inhale, center, and exhale. Drop your head on the left shoulder. And then relax. Good. Relax your both arms. Inhale, both arms up. Finger lock, palm facing up. Just stretch your arms and look up. Your spine straight. Suck your belly in. Push your hip down and look up. Hold for a few breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale and exhale. Relax your hands. Put your arms behind of your hip. Inhale, open shoulder. Lift up your spine, exhale, drop your shoulder, push your chest front and look up. Opening in your shoulder and upper back. Inhale, come back. Exhale, palm on your knee, squeeze, suck your belly and look down. Good. Again, both arms up. Finger lock, palm facing up. Inhale, exhale. Just try to push your shoulder behind. Practice for opening your arms, your shoulder and your upper back. But do not bend your arms. It should be straight. 3. Breathing. 4. 5. And 6. Very good. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax your hands. Make a finger lock from back side. Inhale, open shoulder, exhale. Drop your shoulder, lift up your spine, expand your rib cage and look up. Inhale, come back and exhale. Slowly, gently suck your belly and slowly bend down, lift your hands up. Good. Come back, inhale, exhale, then relax. Once again, both arms up. Inhale, finger lock, then palm facing up. Exhale, bend on your left side, but push your right knee down. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend on the right side, look up. Inhale, come back. Breath. Exhale, bend on the left side, right knee down. Inhale, come back. Exhale, once again, bend on the right. Good. Inhale, come back and exhale. Open your arms, your shoulder level. Your left hand on the right knee. Right hand up, inhale. So try to be stretched from your side waist. Your right ear with your right arm. Exhale. Then bend on the left side and look up. 1. Remember, when you bend on the left side, knee down, a little chest out. 2, try to do not sink your spine. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Very good. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax. Now another side, right hand on the left knee, left arm up, inhale, same, extend the spine. Good. Exhale, slowly bend on your right side. Come on. 1, do not hold your breath should be continuous. 2, your left ear with your left arm. 5 and 6. Inhale, relax, and from here put your hands again behind of your hip. Slowly I will take you step 1, step 2 and step 3 in the deeper practice. Open shoulder first, inhale, lift up your spine, which we did before, and with the exhalation try to lift your hip, everyone. Remember, wrist pain, shoulder pain, arm pain, do not lift hip. Others, they can be try, and after try to push your hip front, focusing your shoulder, and try to wrist should be aligned. Focus, open your shoulder, your hip, your spine. 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Very good. Inhale, come back, exhale, palm on the knee, squeeze, suck your belly and look down. And now relax. Same practice we will repeat again, but this time you have to change the position of your leg. In the beginning you did, if right leg is up, now just change, this time your left leg is up. If your left leg is up before, so your right leg is up. Come on, once again the same. Put your arms behind hip, inhale, lift up your spine, open shoulder, give the expansion in your shoulder, in your lungs, and then with the exhalation lift your hip. Now depends on you how maximum you can push your hip front, but not be on the hip. Maintain your hip and the knee should be aligned. Your hip, shoulder should be aligned. Shoulder should be aligned. 4, 5 and now 6. Good. Inhale, come back, exhale, hip down, palm on the knee, squeeze, suck your belly and just look down. Relax, 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 relax. Good, 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 good. And now put your right hand on the left knee, left hand near hip. Inhale, exhale, twist and then look back. Come back. Another side, left hand on the right knee, right hand near hip. Inhale, exhale, twist and then look back. One more time. Inhale, exhale, right hand on the left knee, left hand hip, twist and then look back. Another side, left hand on the right knee, inhale, exhale, then twist and just look back. Spine straight. Push your lower back in, suck your belly in. Relax. Good. Keep your legs straight now. And now just move your legs for relaxation. Move your knees up and down. Relaxation your knees. Both legs together. Toes facing point. Flex your feet. Toes facing point. And then flex your feet. And now make a rotation. Angle rotation. Come on. Opposite. And then just be relaxed. Good. Put your right leg. Nice. Your right hand on the right knee. Push your right knee down first and hold your left big toe. Inhale, lift up spine, and when you exhale, slowly try to be the left leg. Come on, try. 1, keep lengthening your spine. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Good. Come back, inhale, exhale, relax. Cross your left leg with the right leg. Right hand near hip. Drop your left elbow on your right knee. Option for the beginner, that's it. Option 2, little intense, you can try to hold your left big toe. Option 3, a bit more intense, your left hand under your right leg. And then hold the right wrist. Spine straight, open shoulder, chest out, look back. 1, same technique, suck your belly in. Also remember your right hip, do not be lift up. Keep pushing your right hip down. Hip ko nahi uthana hai. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Good. Come back, come back, come back. Once again, right leg on your left upper thigh. Half lotus. Now we practice the complete lotus pose, Padam Asana. So you have to put your left leg on the right upper thigh. If some cases somebody have a knee pain, ankle pain, please avoid it. आप left leg, right leg के नीचे भी रख सकते हैं. You can put your left leg under the right leg. If you can, then you can do the complete lotus pose, and after simply just try to be bent forward. Bend forward. But remember, do not lift your hip. Lengthen your arms, stretch your arms, and slowly drop your head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then relax and come back. Keep your legs straight, and now the same, put your left leg on the right upper thigh. Initially we are going to practice something very, very gentle, preparatory practice to let your body opening. So same, put the left palm on the left knee, hold your right big toe, inhale, lift up spine, exhale, slowly bend down, suck your belly in, flex your right foot, lock your right knee, lengthen spine, and then try to touch your right leg and keep breathing. Whenever you hold the posture, your breath should be continuous. 4, 5, and 6. Good. Inhale, come back, exhale, then relax, and then cross your right leg with the left leg. Same like before, drop your right elbow on the left knee. Remember, your left knee, your shoulder and the head should be aligned. Left hand behind hip. Option 1, option 2, you can hold, and option 3, you can hold the wrist and then twist, look back. 1, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, and then relax and come back. Put your left leg again, right thigh. Again we'll practice the lotus pose. Right leg also on the left thigh. Explanation I already gave you in the beginning. So same thing, you have to be bent forward. You can stretch your arm. If you can touch the floor, you can try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Relax. Come back, everybody. Keep your both legs straight now. Relax your legs and just move your legs. Here I'll take you to another twisting. Then we'll change the sequence. Legs together. Open your arms, your shoulder level. Spine straight. Always, when you're sitting position, always try to push the spine in and keep it straight. Never make habit like that. Open arms, inhale, exhale, turn on the left side, but remember to do not lift your hip, pushing the hip down, and then try. Inhale, come back, exhale, turn on the right side. Inhale, come back, exhale, again on the left side, hip down, Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on your right side. Push your hip down. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend forward. Hold your feet, flex your feet, and then try to touch your both legs. Just 1, 2, 3. Come on, everyone. And then bend your both legs under your hip. And come in the meow meow pose, cat pose. A little gap in between knee and the feet as per your hip. The gap in between your arms as per your shoulder level. Keep spreading your fingers. Arms straight. Inhale. Just push your hip out. Open shoulder and look up. Expansion in your shoulder. Focus in the lower back stretch. When you exhale, squeeze, suck your belly. Keep maintaining knee to hip aligned. And look up at your navel point. One more time. Inhale. Push your hip out. Open shoulder. Look up. Exhale. Squeeze. Suck your belly. Look up at the navel point. And then relax. Come back. And now curl your toes inside. And from here we'll come in the downward facing dog. Lift the knee. Push your heel down and your arm should be straight. Stay simply. 1. Spine straight. 3, 4 and 5. Once again, drop your knee down. Inhale and then exhale. Push your chest in between your arms. Look up. Upward facing dog. Heel facing each other. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Once again, come back in the cat pose. And then stand on your knee. Put your both hands on the hip. Come on. Open shoulder, a very gentle back bend. Then slowly I will take you in the intense practice. Inhale and exhale. Push your hip front side and then bend back. Come on. 1, 2, breathing, breathing, breathing. 5 and 6. Good. Inhale, come back. Exhale. Once again, come back in the cat position. Come on. Good. And from here we'll do the another sequence. Same. Push your hip out. Look front. And then simply lift your left leg up. Maintain the hip squaring. Left arm straight. Left shoulder do not be sink. Try to be lift up. Right arm up. Stay. Simple. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Bend your left leg. Hold your left ankle. Good. And then lift your left leg up. Okay, so this is the optional practice. Option 1 is simple. Simply hold the ankle. Option 2, if any one of you can try, you can hold your left big toe and then you can try to keep your chest up. You can touch the foot or even you can lift the leg. So depends on you. 4, 5 and now 6. Once again, leg back and your right arm front. Good. Let me show you the front side. And here, right hand on the right side and the left leg on the left side. Come on, try. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right hand down, left leg down and now up. Open arms, your shoulder level here. Good. Maintain it. Remember, your right knee and your left arch of the foot should be aligned. And your right knee to hip should be aligned. During practice, you do not give the curve like that. Never. It should be straight. Hip square. Open arm, shoulder level. Inhale. Exhale. Left hand on the left leg. Right arm straight over the head. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. Come back. Inhale. Open arm shoulder level. And this time both arms up. Inhale. and exhale. Bend on the left side. Come on, arms straight. Chest out a little. 1. Lock your left knee. 2. Breathing. 3. Breathing, 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 breathing को hold नहीं करना है. 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, come back and exhale. Drop your right hand down and left arm straight over the head. So please look at me. This is also the optional practice. You can simply drop the right hand, arch of the fingertip you can use, palm you can use. Simply you can be here. Option 2, you can lift the left leg. Option 3, you can bend the left leg. Option 4, you can hold the ankle. And option 5, if you can, same we did in the beginning, you can try to touch the foot. Depends on you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Good. Come back in the same position. Nice. And now bend your left leg. Bend the left leg. So देखिए, I am trying to giving you all kind of the option. Even if you are a beginner level, you are a intermediate level, and you are a bit challenging level. So as per your flexibility and the strength, you have to choose the option. That's why I am trying to giving you few options so that you can be choose according to you. So now I will show you again beginner level. Drop left elbow, right arm straight over the head. Option 2, left hand front of the leg and right arm straight over the head. Option 3, a big challenge. Left hand under left leg. You can hold the right foot or ankle, lift the leg. Option the last, you just try to keep the leg straight, keep the chest out and look up. Come on, any option you can be choose. 1, breathe. 2, 3, do it. 4, 5 and now 6. Good. Put the leg down and once again come back in the same position. Not finished yet. I'll take you one or two bending. So I will show you the sidewise. So the position will be here. So in this time you have to be hold your right ankle. You can be try flatten foot, try on the toe, you can try, it will be easier. So just simply hold your right ankle, depends on you. Here, both are okay. The shoulder alignment, your left hand, first try to maintain your shoulder should be aligned. Not be here. Just look at me. Observe my movement. Maintain the shoulder aligned. Left leg straight. Inhale. Exhale. Drop your left arm back. Push your hip front side and just stay. And neck. Sink nahi karna usko. Do not sink it. Lengthening. Then try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. Good. Inhale. Come back and exhale. Now relax. Once again, knee and feet closer. I'll take you back in the camel. Put your hands on your lower mid back. Yes. Open shoulder. Drop your shoulder. Elbow closer. Your hip push in front. Inhale. Extend your exhale. Then try to be bend back. Everyone, stay. Focus on your breath, focus on the spine. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Enough. Inhale, come back, and exhale. Relax. Once again, meow meow pose. And from here, in the downward facing dog, relax your arms and spine straight. Have a 3 deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Good. Drop your knee and again come in the upward facing dog. Open shoulder. Look up. Breath. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and come back in the meow meow pose. So now the same sequence will repeat. I hope you all remember. Okay, I'll do with you. So this time we'll try first movement, your hip, look front. Second, your right leg up, hip square. Third, your left hand up, right shoulder, do not be sink, lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4. You all know the option. This is option 1 and option 2. You can be hold your toe, your ankle, same like king pigeon. You can be try 1, 2, 3 and now 4, 5. Good. Leg back. Let me show you the front and then left leg left side and right leg right side. Come on, try. 1, strong. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Drop the right leg, relax the hand and then just stand up. And a lot of energy you have to use it. Take a couple of breaths for relaxation. I need to adjust myself. So the same thing, left knee, arch of the right foot should be aligned, knee to hip aligned, and then open arms to your shoulder level. Again, take a deep breath, inhale, exhale. Right hand, right leg, left arm straight over the head. 1, 2, 3, stay there, 4, 5 and 6. Good. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax. Both hands up, inhale, exhale, bend on the right. Come on. 1, 2, down more, 3, down more, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, come back, exhale. Third, left hand down and right arm straight over the head. Option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4 and then option 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. Good. Come back in the same position and then bend the right leg. It's also optional practice. Don't worry, you all can still enjoy the practice, but you have to follow your limit. Never go beyond your limit. अपने आप की सुननी, अपने शरीर की सुननी है आपको, सारी मेरी भी नहीं माननी है आपको, अपने आप की माननी है. So just option, drop elbow, left arm straight over the head. Easier, little intense. Good. And now the another challenging practice, hand under the leg. You can hold the ankle and then try to keep the chest out and look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. Relax and then come back. And the last one in this sequence, that will be the back bending. Yes, you can look at me, you can watch me. Yes, good. Here you have to be hold the left ankle. Options you know. Hold your left ankle first. Shoulder should be aligned. Inhale, right hand up. Exhale, then try to bend back. Your neck, ऐसे sink नहीं करना neck को. Try to be lengthen your neck. 1, breath. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, then relax everyone. Good. Take a 1 deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Once again, inhale and then exhale. Good. And here now I will take you in the arm balancing, arm strength. So that is also very common posture, but I will give you in the one practice, I will give you all different modifications, so you can choose that. Beginner level, then a bit challenging, more challenging, a little bit more challenging. It's all up to you. So the basic things, you have to be open arms as per your shoulder level, as per the shoulder level, or a little bit wider than shoulder level, that will be also okay. So we say the crow pose. Open arms, keep spreading your fingers, completely press the palm. First practice, especially for the beginners, you just simply raise the heel, bend elbow and knee on upper part of your elbow here, and shoulder a little, try to be lean front side. Beginner students, just practice here, that's it. Option 2, you can try simply just one leg up. You can try right leg, you can try left leg, any side you can be tried. This is option 2. Option 3, you can try the both legs. And option 4, you just try with the one leg. So this is the option 4. So you can see in the one practice we can create the different modifications. So depends on you. I am counting the 10 times. 1, do your practice. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Drop the legs and come back in the downward facing dog, everyone. Come on. Legs, spine, your arms straight. 2 deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Good. And now your left leg up. 3 leg downward facing dog. But remember, your hips should be square. Not be here. Hip should be square and then kick your left leg up. Good. And then your left leg in between your both arms. Got it? And then we'll practice high lunge variation. Both hands up. Slowly. Spine pushing back. Back, 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 back. Not be here. It should be here. Remember, movement should be here. Arms up. A little push the hip down. Beginner, they cannot do it. Drop the knee. Otherwise, right leg straight. Right heel should be up. Toe to heel aligned. 1, 2, 3. Simply. 4, 5. Inhale. Exhale. Relax your head. Before you practice, look at me. Watch me. Here I will take you in the half wheel pose. Left leg up first. Drop the left leg on the right. Here. And then just try. Drop your left hand down. You can try one leg straight. You can try both legs straight. One leg bend, one leg straight, anything. Or even if any student, they can try the complete wheel pose as well. So all depends on you. Come on. In the half wheel pose. 1, 2, 4 and 5. Once again, come back in the downward dog and again your left leg up. Left leg in between your both arms. Good. And then drop right heel. Watch me. Your heel should be aligned. I will take you in the warrior 2. And from here, you have to be up, open arms, your shoulder level. Remember the hip position is not be here. Try to be roll the hip and then don't push your hip outside. You have to be pushing the hip front side in the front tilt. Open arm, shoulder level. Stay. 1, breath. 2, 3, both arms and shoulder align. 4 and 5. Now reverse warrior 2. Right hand, right leg. Left arm straight over the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, exhale. Left hand down. Now challenge for you. Option 1, simply extended triangle. Option 2, left hand under left leg. Hold the left ankle, lift up. Option 3, just try. Chest out and look up. So I'll show you the different option. Extended triangle. Option 3. Then also keep the chest out. Come on, I'm counting only 6. 1, do it. 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Okay, done. Relax the leg. And then come in the meow meow pose. Come on. Meow 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 meow. And stand on your knee. Do it with me. So this time we'll practice complete camel pose. Complete camel. You have to hold your ankles together. So might be a lot of students they follow my techniques. So it's the same. I'm repeating again. You can try flatten feet. You can try. Cannot, you can stand on the toe. Easier. Still cannot. So might be you will have the blocks at your home. You can be used. In case you don't have the block, we have so many options. So might be you have some water bottle at your home. Maybe everybody have. So आप water bottle भी ऐसे इस तरीके से आप I have the one, but you can use two bottle you can be used also. But इनसे भी with the prop you also cannot do it. So you can do the simply practice. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax. Again, cat pose and come in the downward facing dog. आ जाइए. Stay. 3 deep breath. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. So this time your right leg up. Kick your right leg up. Remember, hip should be square. 1, breathing. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right leg in between your arms. Inhale, both arms up. High lunge. Push your spine back. Simple. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Good. Inhale, exhale, relax your hand, and again your right leg up, drop on another side, and just try the half wheel pose or complete wheel pose. You have the option 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Once again, come back in the downward dog. Again, right leg up, right leg in between arms. Good. Drop your left heel. Both leg heel should be aligned, and then roll. Come in the warrior 2 pose, everyone. Let me go back a little. Stay there. I already explained the position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse warrior 2. Left hand, left leg, right arm straight over the head. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Come back. And now the last practice. You all know you can try extended triangle. Still difficult. Right elbow on the knee you can try. Right hand under the right leg. You can hold the leg, or the final option you can be try. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. Relax. Come back and then come in the cat pose again. Meow meow pose. And from meow meow pose we'll practice one more time complete camel pose. We are making the combination. We are trying to focus our all kind of the practice here. Knee feet closer. Once again, hold your angle. Push your hip front. Inhale and exhale. Just try to be straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Good. Inhale, come back. Exhale, sitting position. Everyone, open your knee sidewise and your hip in between your feet. Might be some of you are feeling the stiffness in your hip. You are feeling uncomfortable. So everyone at your home, you will have a pillow. So you can put the pillow under your hip, easier. One pillow, two pillow, as per your requirement. And after that, just try to be bent forward. You can drop elbow, you can drop chest as well. Hold for some time. A very deeper and a very nice stretch for the hip. Stay, 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 stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6, and then just come back. Knee and feet closer. We will practice one more time the crow pose. Might be some student, they practice the one leg crow, so they have the another chance to practice from the another side. So again, open arms a bit as per the shoulder level. Come on. 5, and now 6. Relax. You guys are okay? What a pity that you all can see me, but I'm feeling that if you are feeling tired, hey Joel from Mexico, if you are feeling tired, so you can do a little. Okay, now I'm taking you to another in the sitting sequence. We are going to be finished very soon. So sitting position everyone, and come in the butterfly. Aye. Yes. Swing your knees. Come on. Whatever the practice you are doing, especially in the yoga class, so one thing I always reminding to my students, that always listen to yourself. That is good that we all want to go on something very advanced level, we want to go on something up level, but sometimes things takes time, but you need to be follow the step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. There is no shortcut. ऐसा आप सोचते हैं कि एक बारी में मैं वहां पहुंच जाऊं या वहां वो ऐसा कर लूं, ऐसा पॉसिबल नहीं होता है. सो आपको जो भी पर्टिकुलर जो भी स्टेप्स हैं, वट एवर द स्टेप्स आर देयर, उनको फॉलो करने हैं आपको. धीरे धीरे देन आपकी बॉडी प्रिपेयर होगी, देन यू कैन बी रीच ऑन दैट लेवल. लेग स्ट्रेट, ओपन लेग साइडवाइज. किसी भी काम में, चाहे वो योगा हो या कुछ भी हो, कभी भी जबरदस्ती नहीं करनी है अपने हिसाब से. नेवर एवर फोर्स योरसेल्फ. फोर्सिंग की एक लिमिट होती है. व्हेन वी टॉकिंग अबाउट द hatha मींस यू हैव टू लिटिल फोर्स योरसेल्फ. फोर्सिंग का मतलब ये नहीं कि यू हैव टू बी किल योरसेल्फ. After doing yoga, you are feeling like exhaust and that, so it means there are something going wrong. After doing yoga, you need to be relaxation, then you feel energetic, you feel relaxed. It means you are on the right track. Can you just moving, keep moving, just moving. Practice करते रहिए, हम बात पे करते रहेंगे. Continuous, just moving. Good. So कभी भी जबरदस्ती नहीं करनी है आप अपने आप से. स्टेप फॉलो कीजिए. समटाइम्स इट्स हैपन, वी आर डूइंग प्रैक्टिस, बट समटाइम्स हैपन कि somebody take little time, somebody take a long time. It depends on person to person. किसी की बॉडी को जल्दी इफेक्ट आता है, किसी की बॉडी को देर से इफेक्ट आता है. ये जस्ट इट्स डिपेंड्स बॉडी टू बॉडी. ऑलवेज हैव पेशेंस एंड देन पैशन. आई ऑलवेज टॉक अबाउट इट. आपके अंदर सब्र होना चाहिए और आपके अंदर जुनून भी होना चाहिए. ओके गाइस, सो नाउ ओपन आर्म शोल्डर लेवल. लेफ्ट हैंड, राइट आर्म स्ट्रेट ओवर द हेड. कम ऑन. रिमेंबर, चेस्ट आउट, स्पाइन स्ट्रेट, स्टमक इन, हेड डू नॉट बी. 5 and now 6. Relax. Come back, and then another side. Right hand, left arm straight over the head. Come on, look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and relax. Come back. Good. So I'll give you the one more challenge. So here only bend your right leg. This practice we already did in another sequence. Same thing we will be practice in the sitting. आपको ध्यान में आ जाएगा. You will be remember that. So you have to bend the left leg. I will take you again with the options. Option for the beginner, simply आप leg को hold कीजिए, just simply and lift the leg and pull your leg to your side. Still, if somebody is not able to do it, you can be use the towel or the strap like that. But ऐसे practice नहीं करनी है आपको spine को sink करके. Do not be practice like that. Your spine always should be straight. So this is option 1, especially for the beginner. Option 2, you can be try left hand under left leg. You can be hold big toe. You can be hold the ankle like here, and then leg up, and then chest up. In this practice also have a lot of variations. One variation, pull the leg your side, hands together, or even you can be hands more and more and more and more, left side and then chest up. So there are so many modifications are there. Somebody is nearby, we have so many options, don't worry. And then you can be try with the towel or with the strap like here. Got it? Okay, so same practice, we go for another side. So this time same, option 1, leg up, and option 2, hand, or somebody, they are something very nearby. So better you use the strap or the towel, because you need enough shoulder opening, you need the upper back twist, or you need enough hip opening, because this is the combination of all these practices. And then try, just try. Even you can be here, that's fine. Enough. जितना easily आप कर पाते उतना ही करना आपको. ज़्यादा करने के चक्कर में अपना नुकसान नहीं करना. If you are doing much and your body is not allowing you, it can be harmful for you and it can be cause of any injury. So बहुत ध्यान रखना आपको. Okay, relax guys. Come back, come back, come back. I'm talking much, so I'm feeling a little thirsty. So I will take you now the last sequence in the line sequence. So this sequence will be combination of the cobra pose and the half bow pose and the bridge and the wheel posture combination with the optional practice. So you have to be lying down with the chest. लेट जाइए. Yes. So palm side of your chest. Inhale simply. Palm side of chest. If you are a beginner, अगर आप beginner level पर है, you are not enough flexible, so you can put your arms a bit front side like here, like me. If you are feeling enough flexibility, you can keep your arms more inside like here. 1 step in, 2 step in, or the maximum you can be try the exact alignment if you talk. So your shoulder and your fingertips should be aligned like this. And then try. Lift your hip. Sorry, we lift your chest. Shoulder blade should be down. Extend your rib cage and look up. If you want to go more intense level, so you can keep your legs together. Feel the difference. Open legs and legs together. Heel together. Feel the difference. 1, breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everyone, bend your legs. Come on. Bend your legs, bend your legs, bend your legs, and then try. Come back. During some posture, I cannot be speak. Please sympathize with me. And now relax, come back. Now we'll go bow posture. We did the cobra pose. Cobra pose we did gentle variation and a little intense. Same in the bow pose. I'll show you the simple gentle bow pose and also with the another modification a bit challenging level bow pose, so you can be choose that. Simple, you have to be hold ankle simply and lift the legs. That's it. Beginners. Option 2, you can try to hold your big toe and then lift the leg. You have to move. You can be try toes to the ear, and you can be try to moving. You can be try rolling just for the preparatory. And you can be try to lift the legs. So any modification you can be choose, depends on your practice. So now we'll go the last one. Last practice will be optional practice, option for the beginner. That will be the bridge pose. Bridge pose you have to bend your legs, but remember आपका knee और ankle align रहे उसके अंदर. Knee और ankle should be aligned. Option 1 bridge pose, but in bridge pose have another so many modifications. I'll show you. Bridge pose, simply lift hip up. You can try hands under the back. You can try one leg up. You can try one leg straight, both legs straight. You can try hands up. So these are some different modifications in the bridge pose. So this is option 1. Option 2, practitioner can try the wheel pose also. So palm inside, knee and feet closer. ज़्यादा नहीं खोलने legs को. Just try to be standard gap, not too much. Then lift your hip, drop the head fast, and after use your arm strength, and then try to lift. Use your arm strength, try to lift up, and up. And then this is the simple wheel pose. And then you can make the rolling in the wheel pose. You can come in the arm side, on the leg side, arm side, leg side. You are a more advanced practitioner, so you can go near to your legs. You can go more near. You can go more near. So depends on your flexibility and the strength. So धीरे धीरे कोई भी पोस्चर में जाने के लिए सबसे पहले आपको अपने आप को प्रिपेयर करना पड़ता है उसके अंदर जाने के लिए. Advanced posture is nothing. Firstly, you make the step, even with the gentle practices, some gentle exercise, some gentle movement, some gentle posture, because your body need enough understanding about that. कुछ बेसिक चीजें होती हैं जो आपको समझने की बहुत जरूरी है. अगर वो चीजें आपकी क्लियर नहीं होंगी, then it's very difficult for you. आप योगा आप चाहे 5 साल कीजिए, 10 साल कीजिए, लेकिन आपको रिजल्ट मिलेगा ही नहीं. Yes, Joel, no need to do it now. If you have a dinner, my some students is watching me from Mexico, so you no need. You can only observe. So I hope that you all enjoy the yoga class today with me. Or if some students from any reason, अगर आप practice नहीं कर पाए अभी, तो this video will be still safe on the Facebook and on the YouTube. आप बाद में भी practice अपनी कर सकते हैं. कुछ I also tried my best कि particular कुछ postures, कुछ practices, कुछ advanced level के थे. तो अगर आपको लगता है कि आप अभी उसके लिए prepare नहीं है, तो please उसको छोड़ दीजिए. Related some another modifications I tried, so आप उनको follow कर सकते हैं. So Sanjeev Tyagi ji, thank you so much, and thank you so much to all of you for watching me. Keep blessing me, loving me, and Hari Om, Om Shanti, Namaste. अपना ध्यान रखिए, खुश रहिए, और अपनी योगा की प्रैक्टिस कंटिन्यूस रखनी है, आपको छोड़नी नहीं है. डेली आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी है. दैट इट डजंट मैटर कि आप डेली आपको एडवांस करनी है, ऐसा भी कुछ नहीं है. आप यू कैन मेक द रूटीन, समटाइम चैलेंजिंग प्रैक्टिस, समटाइम नॉर्मल प्रैक्टिस, समटाइम डू द डिटॉक्स प्रैक्टिस, समटाइम डू द प्राणायामा, समटाइम डू द मेडिटेशन. ट्राई टू मेक ऑल द कॉम्बिनेशन टुगेदर, देन यू कैन बिकम ए रियल योगी. अगर हर एवरी टाइम यू ओनली फोकस एडवांस प्रैक्टिस, नो, हमें इतना एडवांस नहीं बनना है. हमें सारी चीजों की प्रैक्टिस करनी है योगा के अंदर. नॉट ओनली आसनास, आपको प्राणायाम भी करने हैं, आपको थोड़ा बहुत डिटॉक्स भी करना है, आपको षटकर्मा की जो प्रैक्टिस है वो भी आपको करनी है. सभी चीजें हमें करनी है धीरे धीरे, थोड़ा टाइम सभी को दीजिए. ध्यान रखिए, सेफ रहिए. थोड़ा सा हार्ड टाइम है तो खुश रहिए, फैमिली का साथ दीजिए, काम कीजिए. Okay guys, so give me permission. Thank you so much and see you the next time. Thank you.